Welcome aspirants to my channel. So today we are going to discuss how to clear UPSC 2025. The notification is out and you have already filled up the forms. Okay. So the main thing is how to clear UPSC. First of all, main focus right now will be our prelims. Okay. Prelims will be the main focus right now. So let us look what is the requirement of UPSC and how we can crack it. So as you know, there are various stages of the paper, like three stages. Okay. First of all, there is a prelims. Okay. So prelims has two papers, paper one and paper two. Both are of 2 hour. Okay. The duration is 2 hour. The first there is general studies in which there are 100 questions we have to complete in 2 hours. Okay. It is of objective type. It is objective type. And second one is CSAT, 80 questions in 2 hours. Okay. This is just qualifying in nature. This is also objective. Okay. And if you successfully complete prelims and you qualify for the prelims, then you are eligible to sit in the mains paper. In mains there are 9 papers. Okay. Two are just CSAT is qualifying, same as it is. These two papers are qualifying in nature. The first one is compulsory language paper and general English. Okay. In compulsory language paper there are 22 languages, you know, which are in the 10th schedule of our constitution, and these both consist 300 marks each. Okay. So in order to qualify, you have to score 110 plus. Okay. Generally 110 plus. And these marks are not calculated in the merit. Even the prelims is not it is just you clear prelims, it will be not considered in the merit. Like you, if you are thinking that you will be uh, taking a lot of marks in prelims and it will make your further merit very up, so this is not the case. So the main making paper is essay, GS paper. In GS paper there are 4 paper, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 2 optional paper. Each paper is of 250 marks. Okay. 250 marks each. So the total becomes 1750. And if you qualify the mains, then you are eligible to sit in interview, which is of 275 marks. So the grand total becomes the marks of mains plus marks of interview becomes 2025. And if you are scoring uh, both, if combining both, if you are scoring 1100 to and above, you are getting a good mark and you will be considered, you will be opting for the best of the service you can get. Like you can opt for IAS, IPS. So best things you can choose from it. I don't I will not say that other posts are anyhow inferior. These are also superior, but many people just consider IS and IPS to be best. So I'm saying you that if you will score higher, you will be in a position to choose any of the services. So main focus right now our will be the first stage, which is prelims. Okay. So general studies and CSAT. Okay. These are objective type. Also there is a negative marking in this. Like 1/3 is negative marking. 1/3 is negative marking. Each question carries 2 marks. And if you are like if you are any question becomes wrong, then 1/3 of the right question will be deducted. CSAT is qualifying. Just getting 33% is enough. Like for example, 80 question. If you are the 28 question is absolutely right, and you are not attempting other questions, then you are considered like your CSAT is clear. Uh, in addition, like if I will be teaching you, you will be in a position to approximately answer 35 questions of CSAT. Okay, I will tell you the tricks and tips. So 35 question is more than enough. If by the chance your four questions are incorrect, then also 31 question minus four question will make approximately up to uh, uh, it will 1.5 will be deducted. So you are more than 28 marks. Now main focus of prelims, like I will show you, is this. On an average, we will see that polity, economics, history, and geography, these are the most weightage taking subjects. Like if you will see the trend, approximately 15 questions are from polity, 15 from economics, and 15 from history, and 15 from geography. So if we will consider all this, there is a 60 question, and 60 question makes you 120 mark. And 120 mark is I will say, like if the paper is easy or moderate or tough, so 120 is a good mark, and you will be in a situation to write a mains. Okay, you will be like you will be qualifying the prelims. So as you know, 3 months are left, only just 3 months. 3 months are left. So we will cover polity, economics, geography. Okay, what makes this 45? Current affair 15. And if time, if time there is a lot of time, then we will consider history too, which will makes you 60 question. Apart from these lengthy like more question carrying subjects, I will say you that cover at least two small subjects. For example, science and tech, environment and ecology. So this will make you, like if you are not able to like from 60 questions, you are in a position to answer only 50 question. Then what will you do? These subjects will be a plus point for you, like it will compensate for the other things. So this is our free initiative, and I am going to start our batches from 25th of Feb. Okay, 25th of Feb we will start from the polity. Okay, and then we will cover economics and geo, and if time persists, then we will cover history too. Okay, so I will consider like these batches are made like in such a way that I will consider that you know anything. You don't know anything. Okay, but I know that you know something. That's why you are going to write the prelims. But my approach will be very much comprehensible as much as possible. So I will suggest you to subscribe our channel for updates and join our free initiative. And also share with someone like who is not in a position to afford the highly paying like coaching institutes, so they can get something from our free initiative. So in order, like I have just said, just subscribe our channel and join it. Okay. And in addition to this, I will like to say I will be sharing your email. Okay. In that email, what you have to do, you will be posting your doubts, and I will try to clear your doubts on email. And if there are like same doubts from many people, then I will make a detailed video of it. Okay. So this is all from me. Hope like this initiative will make uh, some changes for you, like you will be a position to do anything like clear prelims. So just subscribe our channel and comment your doubt. Hope this is helpful. Thanks and have a nice day.